Basahin muna natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Nakakaloka ang kanyang kwento, pero push! Ito po ay mula sa ating letter sender na tatawagin na lang nating Marcos. So, ito, my love, ang biyahe ni Marcos. Hi DJ Lala, good evening po sa inyo. By the way guys, this is rated SPG. Rated SPG na to. Nakalimutan kong bigyan kayo ng warning, ng disclaimer. Or anyway, good evening po sa inyo. Just call me Marcos. I just want to clarify my sexuality. Kasi straight naman ako dahil sa babae lang ako nagkakagusto. Pero I am sexually attracted to men. Napopogian and mas na-turn on po ako. In Tagalog niya kasi sinulat yon, pero hindi ako komportable sabihin yon. So, i-Englishin natin para medyo some kind na katanggap-tanggap. Baka maano ako dito. Maki-BP ako. Napopogian and mas nata-turn on po kasi ako sa kapwa ko lalaki. Pero mga babae lang po yung mga nagiging crush ko, and I see myself in the future naman na may asawa at pamilya. Kaso nga lang ayun, sexually attracted ako sa kapwa ko lalaki. Sexually lang naman, not emotionally and romantically. Kaya nalilito po ako kung straight ba talaga ako or not. Pero I consider myself as straight po ngayon. Ayun lang po, sana matulungan nyo ako. So, ayun siya. Ayun ang kanyang dilemma, my love. Ayun ang kanyang agam-agam. So, syempre, dahil si DJ Lala Banderas ay hindi naman well-versed sa terminologies ng LGBTIQ plus na spectrum. Ayan, sa spectrum ng ating mga kapwa sa ibang sexual orientation. I did my research. Given the short time that I have, tingin-tingin ako what can possibly explain yung nararamdaman ni Marcos. So, eto ay mula naman sa mga medical articles na nabasa ni DJ Lala Banderas. You can be one, androsexual. People who consider themselves androsexual feel attraction towards men, males, or perceived masculinity, irrespective of whether or not they were assigned male at birth. Ayan. So, you can also be bi-curious. People who identify as bi-curious are interested in having a sexual experience with someone of the same gender. The term indicates that the person experiences some uncertainty as to how they identify romantically or sexually. So, you can either be one of the two or both, my love. Siguro ang bottom line na lang, my love, ganito, no? Kung anumang terminology that can suit you sa sexual orientation or sexual preferences mo, my love, it doesn't even matter. If you are to engage in a relationship with a girl, let's just say with a girl, you have to be open dun sa partner mo. O diba? You have to be comfortable enough to tell your side of the story sa partner mo. And you should never engage in third party while you are in a relationship. That one naman kasi talaga goes across all sexual preferences. O diba? As long as ikaw ay committed to someone, you cannot cheat emotionally and physically to that person with another person. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? As long as hindi yan nag-overlap, as long as hindi ka nakakasakit ng ibang tao to satisfy whatever it is that you need, that is okay. But if may mga nasasaktan na, if nagsastart ka na mag-lie just to feed that sexual hunger, kung tawagin natin in a very, sabihin na natin, euphemized term, then dun lang naman tayo magiging mali. Wala namang magja-judge sa'yo if that's how you see yourself, that's how you satisfy yourself. Wala namang magja-judge sa'yo niyan as long as you are going to be open with the person that matters to you. Not everybody should know. You shouldn't explain yourself to everybody around you kung yan ay preferences mo, kung yan ay things that can satisfy you as a person. Hindi mo naman kailangan i-explain yung side mong yan or yung confusion mong yan sa lahat ng tao. Only to those people who matters to you. Especially when you are in a relationship with someone. So my love, if you cannot define kung ano yung sexual preference mo now, don't worry. You have a lifetime to figure it out. You have a lifetime to experiment on it as long as, again, wala kang sasaktang ibang tao. You are not committed to someone. You are not committing cheating just because you are trying to satisfy that side of yourself. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Pasok pa rin naman yan sa spectrum ng gauge of right and wrong. As long as hindi mo gagawin yung mga mali in order na and magre-reason out in order na maging tama siya, walang mali sa gagawin mo. Pero if you are just confused, kung ano ka ba, straight ka ba, bi ka ba, kung terms and labels lang ang pag-uusapan, you can define yourself with the dictionary given sa mga sexual orientations or sexual preferences available online. Pero that won't tell you who you are. That will just define how you feel. That will just define or label what you are actually thinking. Pero that doesn't define you as a person. So, with label or not, classified or not, I just hope alam mo pa rin yung vision and yung gauge ng right and wrong. Na kapag ikaw ay nasa isang committed relationship with someone, one, you have to be honest with that person. You have to establish the trust. You have to be comfortable enough sa taong yon to tell that person what you are going through personally. And second, as long as you will not engage on another relationship, sexually or romantically with anyone else without the permission of your current partner, then that is okay. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? You are perfect just the way you are. Sometimes, we cannot really figure out kung ano tayo within a day, within a year of our life, within 33 years, and sometimes 40 years old ka na, meron ka ng 40 years in your pocket, and yet hindi mo pa rin fully figured out kung sino ka talaga. How do you define yourself? Who are you for you? No one has ever mastered yung steps in order to define ourselves perfectly sa duration ng lifetime natin. Kasi we are a work in progress eh. Habang nabubuhay tayo, we are all a work in progress. We can still discover a lot of things about ourselves as years go by, and surprise pa rin tayo sa mga nadidiscover natin sa mga sarili natin eh. So, wag mo i-box yung sarili mo sa isang definition lang. Just be happy of who you are. Just be responsible of your choices, and just stand by your decisions. Calculate each one and spend time in each and every decision na gagawin mo sa buhay mo so that you'll have no regrets. Naintindihan mo ako, Marcus? Whatever you may be, whoever you may be, Marcus, please know that you are a perfect person for everybody else that loves you and that loves having you in their lives. Claro? Claro.